We have just left the super secret spring location, and we are now back on our way to Arcade. We'll make a couple more stops, but we got we didn't get but just one little bottle of spring water, but it's medicinal, and it has it's like a magic and elixir. And yes, the fairy girl that stopped by did confirm that there is a leprechaun living close by. She would not give me any more information. She just said that there was one living close by, and that he's supposed to have a big pot of gold. So I guess if we see a rainbow in this area, we may ought to try to, look for it, catch that rascal. Okay, coming to you special from a top secret, super secretive location. We're going down the hill here to get some spring water coming out of the side of the mountain. Okay, working our way down the side of the mountain. Here's one little spring. It's a little bit up the hill. Now, I have seen some gorgeous salamanders down here. Coming right out of the side of the mountain. They have upgraded this. They put pipes in, different pipes. But I've seen some gorgeous salamanders under here. And look at this mossy place. I bet there's a leprechaun living somewhere close by, and he's got a pot of gold that he's been saving, and it's getting bigger and bigger for decades. You can see the water dripping from the walls coming out. Very interesting. A girl stopped by here and got herself some water. She must have been a fairy girl, because I took a picture of her and she talked, but the picture didn't show on the camera. It's like she never even was here or spoke. Who else brings you this kind of stuff? And yes, she confirmed that there's a leprechaun living close by.